In this video, I will show you how to install Android 16 on any phone without root, without installing a custom ROM, and without losing your data. So normally, if your phone is stuck on Android 14 or Android 15, you have to wait for official updates, which can take months or may never arrive. But using this method, you can try the latest Android version safely using a built-in Android feature called DSU, which stands for Dynamic System Updates. DSU allows you to run a completely separate Android system on your phone without touching your original system. And this works using something called GSI, which means Generic System Image. It is a clean Android version made by Google that can run on supported devices. Now let's start the process. First, go to your phone settings and open About Phone. Here, tap on Build Number 7 times to enable Developer Options. Once Developer Options are enabled, go back, open Developer Options, scroll down, and tap on DSU Loader. Now you will see different GSI options. I recommend selecting the GSI with GMS option so you get Google Apps and Play Store support. After selecting it, accept the terms and your phone will start downloading the system image. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you will get a notification. Tap on Restart and your device will boot into Android 16. After completing the setup, you can use Android 16 just like a normal system and explore all the new features. The best part is, your original system is completely untouched. Whenever you restart your phone again, it will automatically go back to your original Android version with all your apps, photos, and settings exactly the same as before. Just keep in mind, anything you do inside the Android 16 system will be deleted once you reboot back to your main system. So this is one of the safest and easiest ways to try Android 16 on your phone without any risk. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.